Welcome to the factory where PVC pellets transform into perfect pine trees. High-quality PVC pellets mark the first step of artificial Christmas tree manufacturing.
Every pellet is inspected to ensure durability and safety.
Automated feeding systems prepare pellets for transformation. Heat and precision reshape PVC into the foundation of pine branches. Controlled cooling locks in strength and flexibility. Precision cutting creates realistic pine needle textures. Each strip becomes the base of a natural-looking branch. Twisting technology secures every branch for long-lasting shape.
Sorted branches ensure perfect balance in every tree. Strong metal trunks form the backbone of every artificial Christmas tree.
Protective coatings ensure long-lasting strength and safety. Precision slots allow perfect branch placement. Each branch is installed by hand for balanced structure. Trees are assembled in sections for easy setup at home. Shape testing ensures a full, natural pine appearance.
Layered coloring adds realistic depth to artificial pine needles.
Snow flocking creates a winter wonderland finish.
Only approved trees move forward to packaging. Stability testing ensures safe and secure holiday displays. Folding technology allows easy transport without damaging branches.
Folding technology allows easy transport without damaging branches.
Folding technology allows easy transport without damaging branches.
Protective wrapping preserves shape during handling. Protective wrapping preserves shape during handling. Custom boxes are manufactured to protect and present each tree. Careful packing ensures perfect condition upon delivery.
Every tree includes a complete setup kit. Each artificial pine tree is packed in a large, premium printed box for maximum protection. Printed pine graphics are carefully inspected before shipping. Secure sealing protects trees through long-distance shipping.
Digital tracking supports global distribution.
Finished trees are stored in climate-controlled warehouses. Detailed documentation supports international shipping.
Large boxes are palletized safely for international transport.
Trees are loaded securely for global delivery.
Every container carries premium artificial pine trees worldwide.
From factory floor to festive homes around the world.
Inside the showroom, artificial pine trees are presented in their full festive beauty. Each tree is displayed as it would appear in a real holiday home.
Customers can compare sizes and styles before choosing the perfect pine. Customers can compare sizes and styles before choosing the perfect pine. The large printed box reflects exactly what's inside. Every detail is crafted to look and feel natural. The showroom experience brings holiday dreams to life.
From precision manufacturing to festive living rooms, every tree tells a story of quality. Behind every perfect pine is a team committed to excellence. Like, comment, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory journeys.